Hello guys, my name is Geoffrey. Today I'm going to take you out to perform calculations in database. For you to perform calculation in database, you have to work with queries and forms. And how do you calculate in queries? But first, before we start that, I'm going to show you how to perform some formatting of this currency such that you're able to obtain this decimal places which is here. We want to remove it, then we want to remove the dollar symbol, and we shall take it back to standard. Okay, let's head over to view, then design view, because when you're working in database, all the designs are being done in the design view of your table. So let's get back to currency. Click on the data type currency, move under the field properties, then you come to format. Under format, click on this currency, then you click on the drop down or the pop down. So you move, and this is what we intend to use. And standard, click on standard. The decimal places, you have to put it to 0. So let's click on the decimal places, put it to 0. We remove it from automatic. So let's save it. Click on view, click on datasheet view. It will look as nice as this, and it is beautiful. This is going to be our monthly salary. So this is our monthly salary. If we are supposed to get the annual salary, the annual salary can be obtained by knowing the number of months in a year. Those are 12 months. So this is how you can express it. So you can also still do it in the design view, because all calculations are done in the design view, but we are going to do it in the design view of the query. So let's head over to create. Click on create. So when you're in create, click on query wizard, click OK, take all the fields, say next, next, and change it to be annual salary. Then modify the query design by clicking on the radio button. Click finish. So you're already in the design view of your query, and you're going to perform calculation in the field. So the field name is going to be here. So for you to perform calculation in query under this database model, you can use, in the design view, you can use the builder. Click on builder, then double click monthly salary, click on the multiplication symbol, which is the asterisk, times the number of months is 12. Click OK. Now first click out, then double click here, change it to annual salary. Annual salary. Okay, now what you're left with is to run. So you can run to determine the annual salary of the employees. Click on run, but definitely you would still see the dollar symbol and then the decimal places. So let's head over to view, click on the design view, then let's move over to the property sheet. Click on format, click on standard, and then pick the decimal places from auto to 0, and then you run. So now our work is nice looking, and it is not now in the euro. So this is how you perform calculation in the query. I want us to quickly perform something simple under the query, how to get the stuffs between the personal ID number of 001 to 030, PS030. This is how you do it. Still, under salary, click on create.